Sir Sipinyu Productions.
The voice of humble Africans. Every city in Africa is a government system business, not for the benefit of the people who are living in the land. Go tell my people we are still in captivity, trading our souls with salary that is fake freedom. The Babylon system still are digging up our land, and they are using us as their slaves. But there is still a way to find ourselves again. Brothers, stand up for your shame. I give thanks and praise for life.